Founded in 1997, EnTech Group has built nearly 30 years of deep expertise in electronics, electrical appliances, and health products. As a comprehensive manufacturing enterprise, we deliver end-to-end solutions covering R&D, design, large-scale production, and full-chain supporting services. We house an industry-leading professional R&D team equipped with high-precision testing and experimental facilities, enabling independent completion of all internal and external project verification. We expertly resolve critical challenges in safety compliance testing and performance calibration across the entire product development cycle, delivering robust, all-round safeguards for product safety, reliability, and usability. For our clients, this translates to more efficient, professional, and hassle-free customized services. We have established a standardized closed-loop manufacturing system for electronic products, supported by high-standard clean production workshops and a dedicated SMT assembly workshop. Our capabilities span the full production process, from precision component processing to finished product assembly and delivery. Our fully automated production and inspection equipment lineup enables fully efficient surface mount assembly, covering through-hole DIP soldering, functional testing, and finished product assembly. We provide efficient, stable, and high-precision one-stop manufacturing solutions for all types of electronic products. With nearly 30 years of focus on precision plastic mold R&D and manufacturing, we specialize in custom mold development and production for diverse categories: electronic product housings, automotive plastic parts, plastic toys, pet supplies, and household goods. Our full-chain precision processing platform is equipped with core machinery including CNC machining centers, ODM machines, and precision grinders, supported by a high-precision quality inspection system for full process quality control, laying a solid foundation for premium mold quality. 35 brand-new imported JSW computerized injection molding machines covering a full tonnage range from 110T to 600T, paired with complete professional auxiliary equipment, provide powerful hardware support for lean manufacturing. Our professional injection molding team leverages 20 years of technical expertise and strict quality standards to oversee every production detail. Known for consistent, outstanding product quality, our products have long been exported to developed markets across Europe and the Americas, bringing world-class Chinese manufacturing to the global market. Across our three core sectors, home appliances, electronics, and household goods, we achieve full-chain independent R&D and production of hardware accessories with 100% self-sufficiency in core components, forming a highly resilient closed-loop industrial supply chain. Equipped with automated precision processing equipment, including punch presses, hydraulic presses, trimming machines, spot welders, lathes, grinders, polishers, and sanders, we independently handle the full production process, from material cutting and forming to precision finishing and surface treatment, ensuring component accuracy, production efficiency, and cost control from the source. Backed by strong manufacturing capabilities, rigorous full process quality control, and reliable supply services, our product quality and delivery performance have earned wide recognition and trust across the industry. Craftsmanship sustains our mission. Quality shapes our future. We look forward to partnering with you to embark on a new era of precision manufacturing.